Hello, friends. Welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Moro. I am Leo.
And I am Sophia. It is wonderful to see you today.
Sophia, I have a question for you. Do you ever feel nervous when you speak a new language?
Oh, yes, all the time. Sometimes my hands shake, sometimes I forget the words.
Me too. I think everyone feels this way. But do you know the secret?
Tell us, Leo.
The secret is mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. Today, we have 5 short stories for you. In these stories, people feel shy or nervous, but they keep trying.
Listen to the grammar, especially the S sound for he or she. Are you ready?
Let's listen and learn together.
The new gym member.
Hi there. Welcome to City Gym. You look a little confused. Can I help you? Oh, hello. Yes, thank you. I am looking for the running machine. The treadmills? They are right over there. I'm Mike, by the way. I am Ali. Nice to meet you. I feel a little nervous today. Is it your first time at a gym? Yes, but also my English. I want to ask questions, but I am afraid. Afraid? Why? I speak very slowly. I think people will laugh at me. No one will laugh here, Ali. We are all here to improve ourselves. Your English is clear to me. Thank you. But I make grammar mistakes. I say he run or she run. Ah, the famous S. It is easy to forget, but it is easy to fix too. Really? Yes. Let's look at that man over there. What is he doing? He run? No, he runs. Exactly. I run, you run, but he runs. He runs very fast. Perfect sentence. And that woman? She lifts weights. You got it. See? You know the rule. It helps when I take my time. That is the key. Take a breath. Don't rush. Thank you, Mike. I feel ready to exercise now. Have a great workout, Ollie.
Lunch at the food truck.
Hi. Next in line, please. How are you today?
Hello, I am okay. Thank you.
You look a little worried. Is the menu difficult?
Yes, a little. There are so many words, and I am shy to order.
Don't be shy. I am here to help. Take your time.
I practice in my head, but when I speak, the words go away. My mind goes blank.
That happens to everyone. Just use simple words. What do you like to eat?
I like tacos.
Good. I like tacos. That is a perfect sentence.
But my friend, he is not here. I want to buy lunch for him.
Okay. What does he like?
He like chicken.
Very close. Remember, for he, we add the S sound.
Oh, right. He likes chicken.
Bingo! You got it. I like tacos. He likes chicken.
It sounds better when I say it slowly.
Yes. Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. So, 1 beef taco and 1 chicken taco.
Yes, please. Thank you for being patient.
My pleasure. Your English is doing just fine. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Lost in the train station.
Excuse me, sir. You have been standing here for a long time. Are you okay?
Oh, hello, officer. Yes, I am just lost.
Where are you trying to go?
I want to go to the museum, but the map is confusing.
I can help you. It is not far.
Thank you. I feel bad. I asked a woman before, but she spoke very fast. I did not understand her.
People in London walk fast and speak fast. Don't feel bad.
I feel stupid when I don't understand.
You are not stupid. You are learning a new language. That is brave. Never apologize for learning.
You are very kind. I try to study every day.
Good. Let's practice asking for directions. The train, it arrives here.
The train arrives here.
Good. Now, ask me about the bus. Use the word it.
When do the bus arrive? No. When does the bus arrive?
Excellent. Does and arrives. You are doing great.
I understand now. I arrive. It arrives.
Exactly. The bus arrives in 5 minutes. It takes you to the museum.
It takes me. Thank you. Officer, I feel much better.
Enjoy the museum, Carlos. Keep practicing.
Buying a new shirt.
Hello there. I like that color on you. Do you want to try it on?
Hi. Yes, maybe.
My name is Jess. Let me know if you need a size.
Thank you, Jess. I am Elena. I am sorry. My pronunciation is not good.
I can hear you perfectly, Elena. Don't worry about your accent. Everybody has an accent.
Really? I feel nervous in shops. I don't know the right words.
We can find them together. Does the shirt fit?
Fits? Is that right?
Yes, it fits because it is one shirt. What about the shoes?
The shoes. They fits? No, they fit.
You are a natural. One shirt, it fits. 2 shoes, they fit.
I see. Singular and plural. I always make mistakes with this.
Mistakes help you remember. Now you will remember for next time.
Yes, I think I like this shirt. It fits well.
It looks great. You are speaking with confidence now.
You are very helpful. Thank you.
No problem at all. Let's go to the register.
Talking about family.
Hi, Kenji. Good to see you at the park again. How was your weekend?
Hi, Tom. It is good. The sun is shining.
You look a little quiet today. What is on your mind?
Oh, nothing big. I had a phone call.
In English. That is good practice.
It was terrible. I was so nervous. My hands were shaking. I forgot everything.
Phone calls are very hard. We cannot see the face. It is harder than face-to-face.
Yes, I wanted to talk about my brother, but I used the wrong verbs.
It happens. Let's try it again now. No pressure. Tell me about your brother.
Okay. My brother, he live in Tokyo.
Close. Remember the S.
Ah, he lives in Tokyo.
Perfect. And what does he do?
He works in a bank.
Excellent. He lives. He works. See? You can do it.
I know the rules, but when I am nervous, I forget.
The secret is to breathe. When you are calm, your brain works better.
You are right. I need to relax.
Yes, English is a journey, not a race. One step at a time.
One step at a time. Thank you, Tom. I will try again.
That is the spirit. Let's walk a little more.
Great job, everyone. Did you enjoy the stories?
I liked them very much. Did you hear the grammar rules?
I work, he works. I go, she goes.
It is simple, but it takes practice. And remember what the officer said to Carlos? Never apologize for learning.
That is my favorite part. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to ask for help. People are usually kind.
Listen to this video again tomorrow. Speak out loud with us.
If you liked this lesson, please subscribe to Slow English with Mr. Moro. Leave us a comment below.
You are doing a wonderful job. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.